$50,000 there, gotta go. 350 boy fair now 50. 350 boy fair now 50. I sold a bull, $345,000.
Hey, good morning, everybody. So we're headed to the airport right now. It is 1:50 in the morning, and we're fixing to catch a plane from Midland to Bismarck, North Dakota. We've got a little bit of a layover in Denver, but let's get going.
Right here, lot number 355. I call him one of the great bulls we've ever sold in this ring. He's a magnitude son, out of the great capitalist gal. He's got big time figures. He's got over a 19-inch ribeye. I call him a great one. I might hear, oh boy, we hear. I might hear, here's a big time bull that could sell lots and lots of semen. I might hear, yes sir. I might hear, oh, I might hear, give me $500,000 oh, give me $500,000 on a real bull. I might hear, now 10, now 20, 10, now 20, number 40, now 50, now 75, now 100, number 100, now 100, now 100, now 150, now 300, now 75, now 200, now 400, now 75, now 300, now 330,000, now 30, now 30, 30, now 3 number 300, I got 320, gotta be 30, 30 number 300, 40 number 300, 40 number 300, one time. Anybody else here? $340,000 there, 40. All I know, Tom, if you look at that list back there of all the people wanting to buy semen, here's the kind of bulls right here sell millions of dollars worth of semen.
And I mean, up.
Yes, sir. I buy here 330, now 40, 40 number 300, now 50, now 50, 50 number 300, 50 number 300, one time. Anybody else hands gotta go 350, now 50, 50 number 300, 50 number 300, one time. Anybody else here? $350,000 there. Yes.
I got 345,000.
345. Now 355,000. And now 5. Give me 350. 50 number 50 number 50 one time. Anybody else? $350,000 there. Gotta go. 350 boy fair now 50. 350 boy fair now 50. I sold a bull. $345,000.
sold. He'll be used right here in the program. He is a powerhouse from end to end out of the great 3145 Pathfinder cow.
Yes, sir. Oh, my dear. All I know, folks, you went up and down the alleys out there. There's the one right there that's got what I call a Kelly Schaff look. My dear, there's the one right there's got the Kelly Schaff look. Now, there's a bull. My dear, oh, my dear. Might be as good America, son, as you're going to buy. My dear, they call him Glory Days. Oh, boy, looky here. My dear, give me $1 million on a real bull. Well, give me $1 million there on a real bull. My dear, now 5, 6,000. I'm going to take number to be held at 07. Number to be held at 07. Now you got 19. Number to be held at 1 time. Give it 10. Now 4, 5. Now 15. Number to be held at 15. Now 20. Now 30. 30. Number to be held at 30. Number to be held at 1 time. Give it 30. On there. Anybody else there? Now 40,000. 40. Number to be held at 40. 40. Number to be held at 1 time. Anybody else there? 40,000. Now 40. 40. Number to be held at. Give me 35. Now 5. Now 40. 40. Number to be held at 40. 40. Number to be held at 1 time. Anybody else there? $40,000 there. 40. Now 45. 5. Now 50,000. 50. Number to be held at 50. Number to be held at 1 time. Give me 50. On there. Now 55. Now 55. Now 60,000. That's a number to be held at 50. On there. Anybody else there? $60,000 there. 60. That's a Dave on there. Anybody else there? Now 60. $60,000 there. Now 5. Number to be held at 1. Number to be held at 5. 55. Now 5. Now 70,000. That's a number to be held at 1 time. Give me 70. Now 5. Number to be held at 1. Number to be held at 5. Anybody else there? 75. Now 80,000. And 80 number to be held at 1 time. Give me 80.
They're going to use it right here in the program.
Gotta go $80,000 on a real bull. $80,000 there. 80. Now 5. Now 5. Now 55. Anybody else there? 85. Now 5. Now 55. 5. Now 55. Anybody else there? $85,000 there. 5. All I know, folks, when you find one like Kelly told me last night, he said, a lot of people don't realize how hard it is to make one look like that. Yeah, that just doesn't happen by chance now. It takes a lifetime to make one look like that. That bull's got what you call Aberdeen Angus character right there, and he gonna leave you a great set of mama cows. I'm here, 85, and now 5. 82.5. Now 85,000. And now 5. Now he gets it from his grandpa. And now 5. Now 85. Anybody else? 85,000. And now 5. Now 85. 5. Now 85. Anybody else? $85,000 there. Gotta go. $85,000 there. Now 5. 85. I can tell she wants to. And now 5. Now 85. 5. Now 85. Anybody else? $85,000 there. Now 5.
Right here.
I sold a bull, $82,005.
And let's go ahead and sell this fantastic female bred to Preston.
Yes, sir. Here's the front cover cow. Let's get ready to have us a female sale. Here we go. Coming out of one of the great breeding programs, any breed, any color in the world, right here. Right here. Big time cow. They've sold a lot of high dollar bulls out of this cow. Here you go. Right here. She's the cover cow. Right here. Hey, boy, looky here. Right here. Give me $30,000 there. Now 30. Right here. 4. Now 5. Number to be held at 7, now 8, number to be held at 8, 9, now 10, now 10, now 12, 5, now 15, 15, number to be held at 15, number to be held at 1 time, anybody else here, 15,000, and now 15, 15, anybody else here, now 20, now 20, now 5, number to be held at 5, number to be held at 5, number to be held at 1 time, anybody else here, 25, and now 25, now 30, 30, number to be held at 30, anybody else here, $30,000 there, now 30, 30, on there, give me 7, 5, now 30, 30 number to be held at 1 time. Did you mean at 25, 7, 5, now 30, now 30, 30 number to be held at 1 time. Anybody else hands up? Gotta go $30,000 there, 30, 30 number to be held at 1 time. Anybody else? I'm on a salary, $30,000 there. Gotta go $30,000 there. Now, tell you what, Scotty, you walk over there and you ask that young man real nicely, 29,000, and now 930, and now 25, now 5, anybody 5, $35,000 there. Now 5. I sold the cow, $32,500.
Hey, so we're back home. That was one of the best trips that I've ever had. It was a lot of fun. It was a great learning experience. It ended up being a 4-day trip, and we got up there, looked at the cows, some of the best cows you'll ever see. Some of the best people that you'll ever meet are from up there. Just a great program, and I highly suggest, even if you're not into ranching and into cattle, that you go up there and just check it out. It's such amazing experience, and Kelly and Marty Joe Shaw are just great people. So definitely a once in a lifetime deal to go check out. We did end up with one heifer, and I am very excited about her. She is a full sister to SAV Downpour. Amazing bull, and she is a great heifer with a lot of potential to really push our herd in the right direction. She's a great foundation female for our herd. So I'm extremely excited about that. And she will actually be shipped down here sometime this week. So I will get y'all a video of her coming in and show y'all what she looks like. I wish I could have got y'all some more video while we were there, but it was crazy and we were running and gunning pretty much the whole time. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to leave you with this before I go. A smile is made of 1% muscle and 99% happiness. Y'all have a good day. Bye.